Hey guys, back with another recipe by Keto Made Easy by Keto Connect. Today we're going to do raspberry lime ice pops. This is what they look like here. You got to have a special mold. These are 140 calories. Fat is 14.2 grams. Protein is 1 gram. Carbs are 3.3 and fiber is 0. Today it is 104 degrees outside. It is May 15th or 16th, and so I'm going to make these, and then we're going to stick them in the freezer and probably have them later this afternoon or tomorrow. It usually says to have them in the freezer for at least 6 hours. So we're going to go ahead and try this here. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to have you guys get closer to the blender here, and then we're going to add in coconut cream. So I've got this organic unsweetened coconut cream. Got it on Amazon a while back, and so we're going to put all of this in here. You need 13 ounces, and these are 5.4 fluid ounces. I've got 2 cans here. Perfect. And then we're going to add in fresh raspberries. So I got these at the local grocery store yesterday. So we're going to add in these. You want a half a cup of raspberries. I'm going to just add in all of these here. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon. So I'm just kind of rolling this out here. This is my lemon here. This here. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And then we add 12 drops of liquid stevia. And that's it. So we're just going to blend this up here in a second, and then we'll put it in the mold. I'll show you the crazy mold I got at TJ Maxx. Ugh, the lime juice is all over my hands. I am weak in arms. There we go. There we go. And then we're going to blend this in. There we go. And then these are the crazy molds that I got here. So they're like flower shaped, I guess. And then we're just going to pop the lids off here and hopefully not make a big mess. It is pretty thick. Because of that coconut cream. Says it should make 6, but I don't know if I need to thin it out or what, but I think we have enough. And I don't see any big chunks of raspberries, so I must have smoothed it out good enough. Okay, and then we're going to put the lids back on, and we're going to let this be in the freezer for up to 6 hours. I like that this mold just kind of stands on its own, so then it won't tip over. But we'll be back later this evening and we will try them. Today's going to be a hot one. Hey guys, we're back and we're going to finish up. Sorry this took me so long. These raspberry lime ice pops. This was in the category before the desserts. But this one definitely took a lot longer to do. Just to get these out of the container is a pain in the butt. So I have to use a knife. I have to let them thaw out. These are not my favorite. I mean, they're very sturdy, and it definitely gives you the shape of a popsicle. It's really good. These are very tart. The raspberry lime definitely comes out on it. Very, very tart. If you like raspberries, this is a great summer dessert for kids. Being outside playing, coming inside and getting a refreshing snack that's healthy for you. This is a great option, but again, it's very sour, very sweet. But it's 4 ingredients. It's an easy little snack to do, but it's not my favorite. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.